So what actually happened? We started our makeup with Versali 24 karat serum. This will give us a nice, hydrated and moisturized face. We're using MAC Studio Sculpt Foundation in the color NC42. And I'm using Real Technique Miracle Makeup Sponge to dab that on all over my face. Using Kat Von D Lock It Concealer, I'm using that right below my eyes so I can cover that badass dark circles. Taking Huda Beauty Banana Bread Powder to set our concealer and foundation. Oh boy, it smells really nice. Taking a good generous amount with the same sponge, I'm going to dab it on right below my eyes. I'm also going to use a straight line on my jawline and on the bridge of my nose. This will set in our foundation very well. Now let's let it bake for 10 minutes, and in the meantime, let's do our eyebrows. Now taking a fluffy brush, I'm going to brush off the excess powder because our baking has been done. Now taking Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered using the color Henna, Cocoa and Black Truffle in the same order that I've mentioned. First taking the color Henna and using a big blending brush, I'm using that on the crease of my eyes and gently moving forward. So as I blend, I move upwards towards my brow bone. Then taking the color Cocoa and a medium blending brush, I'm just dabbing that color on the both end of my eyes, the inner corner and the outer corner. That will add a soft smoky look. Now taking the color Black Truffle and a pencil brush, I'm going to add that color right below actually, where I have used Cocoa, and kind of retracing that and taking it towards the middle as well to create a halo look. Next, taking the color Dubai from the same palette, it's a nice old gold or antique gold, and using that right only in the center of my eyelid. That will create a nice halo effect and kind of highlight only the center of our eyelid. I like using my finger while using these kind of eyeshadows, metallic eyeshadows. I feel like the warmth of our fingers work really well with the eyeshadow colors. Now taking a flat brush, I'm going to use that same color right below where I had used on the top of my lid. So not the entire bottom of my eyes, just the center. Now taking that color Henna and kind of retracing the bottom where I had left off. I'm taking Stila Glitter to Go using Kitten Karma color and just adding some glitter on top of the gold that we have used previously. That will add an extra sparkle and kind of like give us a nice sparkling effect. I love this palette by Ofra, Glow Up palette. It has so many variety of highlights. I absolutely love it. It's like skipping a heartbeat. Taking that highlight color, I'm going to use that right on my brow bone. Now let's finish it off with some false eyelashes. Our eye makeup is complete, as you can tell. I really love this soft halo look. No harsh color, but just very romantic and very soft. Now we will return to the rest of our face. We'll contour our face so that we have a slimmer look. I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit in light to medium, using the dark brown color on the bridge of my nose and also on the side of my face, on my cheekbone and on my jawline. This is very important, as you can tell. By contouring our face, we're already slimming our face, and then the uncontoured side looks quite fat and kind of chubby. Now using that same Ofra Glow Up palette, I'm using the Pearl color to use that as a highlighter on my cheekbones as well as my bridge of my nose, just on the center and then on the tip. This will make my nose look slimmer, and when the light hits, it'll make it look much glowy and shiny. Now I'll be finishing off this look with the Fenty Beauty lip paint in the color Unveil. I'm absolutely loving this look. It's soft, sexy, and perfect for the fall. I hope you like it. Please give my video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.